P of t equals to 260 times 1.04 raised to the power of 6 over 4 times t. The function p models a population in thousands of a certain city t years after 2003. According to the model, the population is predicted to increase by 4% every n months. What is the value of n? Okay, here in the given exponential function, we have t and the unit of t is years. But they are asking us to find the time period in which the population is predicted to increase by 4% in months. That is n months, we have to find the value of n. Since we have this t in years, what we can do is we can find the time in years in which the population is predicted to increase by 4%. Once we get the time in years, it can be converted to months. Now let me consider this stuff. In this one, I'm going to take value 0 for this exponent. So let's take 6 over 4 times t equals to 0. Then what is the value of p? That is population. We have 260 times 1.04 raised to the power of 0. Here, a non-zero number is raised to the power of 0. Its value is 1. 1 times 260 is 260. Okay, now let me take the value 1 for this exponent over here. That is 6 over 4 times t equals to 1. Then population p equals to 260 times 1.04 raised to the first power equals to 260 times the value of this one is 1.04. Here I increase the value of the exponent from 0 to 1. Then what's happening in the population? So here the initial population 260 is multiplied by 1.04. Since the population is multiplied by the value greater than 1, the initial population 260 increases. At what rate or at what percentage the initial population 260 increases? To find the percentage of increase, consider the decimal part over here, that is 0.04. Now let's convert this one to percentage. For that we have to multiply this 0.04 by 100, then I'm getting 4%. So when 6 over 4 times t equals to 1, the population is predicted to increase by 4%. Okay, now let's solve for t in this equation. Let me take this one over here, that is 6 over 4 times t equals to 1. Now let me multiply both sides of the equation by 4 over 6. Then this 4 will cancel out and 6 will cancel out. Here 2 goes into 4 2 times and 2 goes into 6 3 times. We get t equals to 1 times 2/3 is 2 over 3. That is every 2/3 of a year the population is predicted to increase by 4%. As I said earlier, our aim is to get the time period in months. So now we can convert this 2/3 of a year to months. Now to convert the years to months, we have to multiply by 12 because 1 year equals to 12 months. Okay, here 3 goes into 3 1 times and 3 goes into 12 4 times. 2 times 4 is 8. That is 8 months. So every 8 months, the population is predicted to increase by 4%. According to the information, the population is predicted to increase by 4% every n months. So at the place of n, we got 8. Therefore, the value of n is 8. We find 8 in answer choice A. The correct answer choice for this question is A.